World Cup 2026 is here. You just recorded Messi's insane hat trick. But the file is blurry, corrupted, or won't even play. Don't delete it just yet. In the next 3 minutes, I'll show you the best way to record highlights, plus free and pro fixes, to save and upgrade your footage. First, let's prevent problems. If you're watching in the US, one of the easiest options is Fox One. For around $20 a month, you get every World Cup match in English, plus DVR and replay features so you never miss a game. Other great choices include Fubo, YouTube TV, and DirecTV Stream. Most plans include Cloud DVR, which means you can record matches and watch them whenever you want. If you prefer recording directly on your computer, I highly recommend OBS Studio. It's completely free, supports up to 4K recording, and works great with live streams. For the best results, use GPU encoding like NVENC or AMD hardware. Encoding, set a high bitrate, and use a stable internet connection. For 1080p 60fps recording, I recommend a bitrate between 12,000 and 20,000 kilobits per second. For 4K 60fps recording, aim for 40,000 to 60,000 kilobits per second. And here's a very important tip that many people miss. Always record in MKV instead of MP4. If OBS crashes or your PC suddenly loses power, MP4 files can become corrupted because they haven't finished writing the file. MKV recordings are much safer. After recording, OBS can automatically convert them to MP4 with one click. Now, even with the perfect setup, things can still go wrong. A power outage, app crash, network drop, or full storage can leave your recording corrupted. You might end up with black screens, blurry footage, frozen video, or audio that's out of sync. Sometimes you'll open the file and get an error like 0xC00D36C4. Here are 2 quick free fixes for light issues. Method 1. Repair videos with VLC. First up is VLC Media Player. If your video still plays a little but the timeline is broken, or it keeps stuttering, the video data may still be there. The index is probably damaged. First, make a copy of the file. Rename the extension from MP4 to AVI. Open VLC, click Tools. Go to Preferences. Open the Input and Codecs tab. Find Damaged or Incomplete AVI file and set it to Always Fix. Save the settings. Now drag the file into VLC and let it rebuild the index in the background. If the damage is minor, your video may come back to life. Method 2. Fix MP4 files using FFmpeg. Another great free tool is FFmpeg. Open Command Prompt or Terminal and run this command. If you're new to FFmpeg, I've made a step-by-step tutorial. Check the link in the description below. But what if the free tools don't work? Method 3. AI Repair for severe video damage. If your video shows only a black screen, reports strange file sizes, or throws playback errors, the file header itself may be severely damaged. That's where a professional repair tool like 4DDIG Video Repair comes in. Download and install 4DDIG Video Repair. Open the program, select Video Repair, and click Add Videos to import all your corrupted FIFA game recordings at once. Click Repair and let the AI analyze your file. Most videos are repaired in just a few minutes. It fixes file headers, syncs audio and video, removes stuttering, and clears up green screens or playback errors. Preview the repaired video to check the repaired result and quality. Then tap on the triangle icon next to the Save All button to select an output video format. Then save it to a new folder. After repair, switch to the AI enhancer. You can upscale to 4K, reduce noise, and sharpen details. It works really well with OBS recordings, phone captures, and big sports files. Prevention plus these fixes will save your World Cup highlights every time. Right now, 4DDIG Video Repair offers a 3-day free trial, so if you have damaged World Cup clips, give it a try. If this helped, drop a like, tell me in the comments what problem you're facing with your recordings, and subscribe for more World Cup tips. See you in the next one.